Dane Shields with DS Diving here. I'm at Mandarin Holiday Marina, slip B7. I went to look at the job we did 3 weeks ago. There was some growth on her. Not much. I mean, what I would have expected in 3 weeks. I don't think there was enough growth on there to actually significantly slow the boat down. However, I did reclean her, so you can test her today. However, I cannot spin your prop count. Let's see. I can spin your prop counterclockwise, but I cannot spin it clockwise. And when I'm spinning it counterclockwise, it is clicking, almost as if you have like a prop hub slipping or something going on with the gearing of this. I personally believe there is a mechanical problem with either your prop or your drive. I'm going to go down there and spin it, and you can hear the clicking when I'm spinning it counterclockwise. So I don't think that you're getting all the power you can out of this drive, and I believe there's either a problem with the hub, like you've spun a prop, or there's something going on with the gearing. But she is clean. She's ready to go. So hopefully I'm wrong, but I don't really think I am. All right, thank you.